This is the elevator down the Markethall at the IKEA store in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's originally a 1989 Dover oil hydraulic impulse, modernized in 2018 with Schindler HXPress'd. This is right near the cafe area. Customer with shop cart just had to get in this elevator. Here it is. Go down to one. Oh, my shopping cart. Here we go down. Flickering. I should probably move this over in case someone wants to come up or so. Here, one. Go up to two. See, here says, you said Dover. You said there's originally a Dover. GAL interlock and some Dover blue up there. Door close button does not work as usual. Cab view, pretty similar to the other one, minus the fact this only has a one door on it, other than unlike the other one that has two. These are cheap buttons, I must say. Schindler. They may want to consider using Epco, Innovation, or CJ Anderson. I've seen them use Innovation, and those have held up quite well, surprisingly. And that's it.